Welcome to this channel. I'm going to be doing the breakdown analysis on gold from weekly time frame to 1 hour time frame. And before the end of this video, I'm going to be giving a free figure on possible entry, stop loss, and take profit that might happen next week, which will result in big profit. So watch this video to the end and don't miss any part. So if you have to like to share the charts right now, we are on 4 hour time frame, so we have to go to weekly time frame to start our analysis. So I have to delete all these past events, all these past trades. You can see. So let me delete this also. So we have to go to like 1 week time frame right now to see what is happening on 1 week time frame. So if you check the 1 week time frame right now, you can see we have just 3 bullish candles, and then this 3 bullish candle represents 1 week each, and then inside those 1 week we have 5 trading days. You understand? So we have this 1, 2, 3 bullish candle. So you have to like to study the movements. Consider price is going what on a bullish trend. You can see you have expansion here, you have retracement, you have expansion, you have retracement, then you have another what expansion. So let me simply explain what expansion and retracement mean on the diagram here. So if on the bullish trend, you're going to be seeing this occur in the market. So you have what expansion, then you have retracement, you have expansion, we have retracement, we have expansion, we have retracement, we have expansion, and we have retracement. So every single time price is going what's on a bullish trend, is going to be forming expansion towards what that bullish direction, and then retracement towards opposite direction. But the two rules that govern expansion and retracement, just like every single time price is going what's on a bullish trend, price has like to be going above the previous high. Can you see this high right now go above this previous high? Likewise, this movement also go above this previous high, and also this movement go above this previous high. And also, if you also like to study the previous low, you can see that price is not going below the previous low. You can see this previous low was respecting this previous low. This low also is respecting this previous low. This low also is respecting previous low. And then this movement also, let me just finish this movement. Let's just assume that price continue what on a bullish trend. So from here, you have another what's a bullish movement, which is called expansion. And then if price want to change direction, price like to go below this previous low that price was respecting. You understand? So if price do something like this, then we know that we have what a break or torsion in the market, and then we should be expecting what a bearish movement. But before expecting a bearish movement, price is going to like to do like this. And then for retail trader, they call it like a price forming head and shoulders. You understand? But it's not actually head and shoulder. If you understand what market is really doing, you understand that price came back to respect a particular order block, a fair value gap, or something like that, or to take some particular liquidity before going all the way down. Can you see? So price is going to be forming what another bearish movement, and also that bearish movement is going to be forming expansion. Can you see? You have expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. You can see that this high right now is not going above this previous high because of break of structure here, and then this high also is not going above this previous high because of what this break of structure, because price going what on a bearish direction. So this high also is not going above this high. But if you notice the low have to go below the previous low. So that is the rule that governs expansion and retracement. So I have to delete this and then go back to our chart, our weekly time frame chart, so to explain some other things there. So if you check the chart right now, you can see that price is forming what expansion and retracement. We have expansion from here, then we have retracement, we have expansion and retracement. Then this low does not go below this previous low, and also this low does not go below this previous low. So the next moment you're expecting to happen in the market is just like price to come all the way down to this order block, to respect this order block. So once price come down to this order block, we are not expecting it to go below this previous low. Sorry, this last low. So this is the last low here. Can you see? So this is the last low here. So you're not expecting price to come below this. I'm using this low. Can you see this low? So I'm going to only use this order block because price eventually come all the way to tap this low and still respect this little low. You understand? It all depends. So it all depends on analysis. So that's why I'm using that particular low here on weekly time frame. So right now you can see that price gets like to come all the way back toward this order block and then start going what's on a bullish trend. It's still under probability. You understand? Because we are just we analyze the market and then we react. So that's just for that. So if you have to like to go to like daily time frame, let's do what's update on daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we are having a lot of information here. Can you see we have expansion, retracement, expansion, the price come all the way down, then this a little bit consolidation. You can see we have a lot of consolidation here. Then after that, price will go on a bullish trend. So right now, if you also like to use daily time frame order block, you can see we have another order block here. And then I'm going to tell you the reason why you are going to like to trust this particular order block. So and then based on my personal analysis and then based on my strategy. So if you have to like to check it, this is where we have the real order block on daily time frame, also corresponding with what weekly time frame order block. So you're going to see we have what order block here. The reason why you're going to be the reason why you're going to trust this order block is like this moment of breaking a lot of highs. Can I say it was this moment that brought this high here, this moment that brought this high, it was this moment that brought this high, and also this moment that brought this particular strong high here. Can you see? Oh, that sorry, I mean. So that is what made this particular order block a very strong order block that price like to respect it, and then if price end up breaking it, so what the order block response for this break, also you can trust it for what a bearish movement. So this for daily time frame right now. So let's go to what our 4-hour time frame right now to see what's happening on 4-hour time frames. So if we check our 4-hour time frame, you can see we have a lot of information there. We have a lot of information here. So you have to study what actually happened in the past right now. So we're not going to like to be making use of little candle, because when we are on weekly time frame, we only saw what 3 candles, you understand, but 4-hour time frame we have a lot of candles here, you understand. So if you have to like to study this area, you can see this moment this high is a previous high, is a previous high that price from, and then it's come all the way down, and then it was this particular moment that brought this low and this small low here, so making this high a very strong high. So I'm going to use another different color for this. So these I use red for liquidity most of the time. So let me change the color to like ash. So this eye right now is a very strong eye. So anything that broke this eye, also the other block is a strong other block that you can trust, and then use the other block to take what a bullish trend. So if you have to study the other block that broke this eye, it was this particular other block that broke this particular eye. Can you see? You have the other block on 4 hour that broke this high. So we're expecting price probably Monday or Tuesday to come all the way down to respect this particular 4 hour order block. And then if price does not respect it, if price end up breaking it, so anything the other block that is responsible for that break, you can trust the other block to take what a bearish movement down to this other block, you understand. So it's either two things. I'm expecting price to break this low, and also I'm expecting price to respect it. So before you enter into your trade, I'll taught you guys what you're going to be doing by going to lower time frame, looking for a pay construction in lower time frame, and then using the lower time frame analysis to enter what a bullish trend, you understand. So you're going to call this from what your POI. So let's go to like a 2 hour time frame right now to see maybe you're going to see more information. So if we check 2 hour time frame right now, we can see it's still the same level. Can you see it's the same level that broke it, and then this is the other block here. Can you see? So right now you have a lot of liquidity under here. You can see all these movements is what a liquidity, all this low right here, all this low right here is what a liquidity. Can you see? All this low right now right here is what a liquidity. So I'm expecting price to come all the way down to respect this other block, and then start going on a bullish trend, and then it's going to go above this high. So if you have to like enter into this trade from there, and then say towards the stop loss here. So we are expecting you guys like to set up what your take profit should be this particular high, because I'll be expecting price to go above this particular high, and then this one is going to give you more ratio to also your thing was on 2 hour time frame. So if you go to like a 1 hour time frame, let's see if we can reduce our order block size. So on 1 hour time frame right now, you can see our order block. So we are going to like to make use of this particular order block here. Can you see it? You can see the block here. Can you see the block? Can you see the block? So this order block, can you see it? So you can make use of this 1 hour order block straight off. So it's going to give us more ratio, and then at the end of the day you can see we have what 1 ratio 15. So if you also like to take this particular trade, I'm not going to enter directly from this order block. I'll call this order block what my POI. I'll wait for price to come all the way down into this POI, and then I'll go to like a lower time frame, like 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes to find what another reconstruction that's going to like to be responsible for what in bullish trend. So I'm going to like to trust down and then enter into the trade, which is going to give me a very huge risk to reward ratio. So that just for that. And then you can see the liquidity that I draw that price will come all the way down to come and take. Can you see? And probably that's going to happen, I think, on Tuesday because of this news we have. If you check the news, you have 4 news there, come on, 4 news. So there's high probability of price going was on a bearish direction using this news and then taking all liquidity. And also it can end up respecting this. I've said that earlier. And also it can end up breaking it. But if price end up breaking this particular order block, what is responsible for it, which is the order block responsible, you can trust the order block to enter with a bearish direction down to this level here. Can you see down to this our weekly time frame order block here? Can you see down to this our weekly time frame order block? So that is going to give you nothing less than 1:40, 1:50. So it depends, but you risk 1% of your account. So that is just for that. So let us be anticipating for price coming all the way down to this order block, and then from there we take what a bullish trend that's going to like that we're going to like to set our take profit there. And then if eventually price broke it, don't forget what I said, use the order block that's responsible for the break and then set up what your entry there. So price going to like to pick your trade and then going all the way down, you understand, to this place, so you can set your take profit around there. So that's just the analysis I have. So if you find this video interesting, like this video and then subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. That is the only way you can use to support the channel. So see you guys in my next video.